First up, groups and forums. These are great and they can be huge time wasters. So you have to be strategic. If you're an HVAC broker, for example, you want to find the groups, the forums where your end target prospects are hanging out and where their customers are hanging out. And then you want to get in there. You'll search any of the potential customers of an HVAC company, get in there, and you want to stay active, right? You want to find your target prospects in those groups and ideally separate the end target. So the HVAC owners of a company with 11 plus headcount, however you want to do that if you're in LinkedIn, and add them to a list. When you're in a target group, you can filter by title. So job owner, right? If we look at, we can find an HVAC group. So HVAC professionals, 140,000. Let's say title owner, 9,000. All right. Years of experience, say more than 10 years, right? We don't want any green HVAC owners because they're not going to be likely to be in a position to sell. Company headcount, 11 to 50. If I search these owners, ideally, whatever tools I'm using, I am narrowing this down so that I can see the owners who are in this group and that would be a point of overlap. So if I'm going to approach or start engaging with these owners, that's how we do it. So you can select all, you can put them to a list. So I can create a lead list. All right, so I'm going to create that and save. And what does that do? Number one, when I pop into Sales Nav Home, all of their activity is going to post here. But if I click on leads, it's going to track specifically those leads. So I'm going to see the posts, I'm going to see the likes, I'm going to see the engagement. And if I go through and I start to engage with those owners, right? The reason I'm doing this, I'm burning my time on LinkedIn at all, is because I know that was just a list of business owners in the group that I'm in with at least 11 people working for their HVAC company, and they have at least 10 years of experience. That's a pretty nice target.